Today I'm going to share 15 minimalist money saving tips, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for watching another video. If you're new here, my name is Tracy with The Daily Life. I like to share my experiences with minimalism and intentional living to make the daily life a little simpler. So today I have 15 minimalist money saving tips. So let's get started. Tip 1. Simple recipes. By simple recipes, I mean recipes that take about 3 to 5 ingredients. By having less ingredients in your meal, the less money you have to spend on things. Tip number 2 are have leftovers for lunch. If you go out to eat somewhere in the evening, or if you're just making a large meal for your family, have a little extra or save a little extra to eat it the next day for lunch. Tip number 3, meal planning. Some people do this on a monthly basis, some people do it on a weekly basis. It really helps you to create a shopping list, that way you're not making any impulse buys. Tip number 4, plant a garden. Some people like to grow their own herbs and veggies and everything. By doing so, you're saving money by not having to go to the store to buy those ingredients. Tip 5, make your own cleaning products. You only need a few ingredients to make your everyday cleaning product. The basic ones that people have are vinegar, baking soda, for some Castile soap or washing soda, and just water. By a combination of those different ingredients, you can have glass cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, a scrub, a disinfectant, and things like that. And you don't really need more than that. In a future video, I will be sharing some of my cleaning recipes. Number 6, a minimal wardrobe. By having a minimal wardrobe, you wash less clothes, which then translates to saving electricity, saving water, and then saving money. Number 7, why is couponing, deal, or sale shopping? Sometimes they say not to go for sales or deals because that causes you to impulse buy. But if these are items you really use, sometimes it's worth waiting for the deals and stacking up on coupons to save money on those items. But you really have to balance those out, because when you buy things like fruits and vegetables, then you have to account for the time it takes for you to use it. Because if you buy like a 2-for-1 deal, then will you get to the second one before it goes bad or not? Because if it goes bad before you even get to it, then you're just wasting money. When things are on sale or have a bargain deal, make sure these are items that you actually use and need, not items just because they're cheap. Number 8, invest in higher quality items. By investing in higher quality items, you will save money in the long run. But remember, higher quality doesn't mean more expensive. So really do your research and see which items work best for you. Number 9, research free activities. This could be for date night or even hanging out with your friends or your family. You can go to the park or the beach. You can go to the library. You could read free books, go on the internet. Sometimes they have play areas for kids or adults. Some libraries have things like chess for people to play. There are days where museums have a free day for people to look around or have activities or events going on. Number 10, plan cheaper vacations or staycations. Vacation is just a time for you to get away from your daily life. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to spend money on it. When you travel, look into ways that you can save money, such as using apps like Hotel Tonight or looking into Airbnb. For transportation, some people save money by Uber or Lyft, and I know that there's other ways of saving money by looking through sites like TripAdvisor, Expedia, or Groupon also saves you money. So do research into the places that you're wanting to visit and finding ways to get discounts and deals. Or even as related to tip number 9 is looking for free activities, and that can really help you save money on vacations. Number 11, evaluate bills and plans. By this, I mean to review the bills that you pay. For example, I used to pay for my cell phone plan and then an internet plan, and at the time, my cell provider actually came out with a new promotional deal, which allowed me to have unlimited data as well as free hotspot tethering So that allows me to use my phone as a hotspot, and I can connect my laptop, iPad, anything to it and have unlimited data. So by reviewing what bills I was paying, I was able to upgrade my phone plan and eliminate my internet plan and save me about $120. So see which bills you can cut out or things you can combine to save money. Number 12, living within your means. Lots of people say to live within your means, but I like to think of it as living with less than your means. I used to work at a bank, and I've seen people living within their means, meaning that if they got a raise or if they got a promotion, they ended up spending more money because they made more money. And so by living less than your means, you have enough to cushion to save in case of emergency or if you want to go on vacation or anything like that. I like to say live less than your means, because if you live within your means, you usually tend to spend as much as you make. And by doing that, you're not saving any money at all. Number 13, refinancing or financial review. Again, I had said that I worked at a bank, and financial reviews are something we encourage people to have. This doesn't mean you open a new savings account or anything like that. By reviewing how much you have in your accounts and things like that, you may be able to upgrade your account, or you may have a little bit of a higher interest rate like in your savings account. If you have any loans, they also review and see if you could qualify for any consolidation loans, which then saves you from paying 3 different loans into one sum, or one of them, so you're not paying 3 different interest rates. Number 14, evaluate your living location. By this, you may be able to actually eliminate having your car or just use your car less. If you live closer to work, you may be able to walk or bike, saving you from spending money on gas. Number 15, downsizing your home. For some people who rent, by downsizing to a smaller place, then you may be paying less rent per month. Or if you own a home, having a smaller property ideally means less in taxes. By downsizing your home, you can save money. So those are 15 ways that you can save money. It could be as simple as having simple recipes to having something a little bit more in depth by getting a financial review. But either way, this can save you money. So I highly recommend to look into it. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed these tips and feel that you may be able to apply it to your life. And if you find any value in this, do also share it with your friends as well, because it might help them. For more videos on minimalism and intentional living, don't forget to subscribe. I'm here every Thursday. If you enjoyed watching this, check out my other videos. You can also find me on other social media platforms. Thanks for watching. Bye.